Okay, so I'm going to record this again because I got a couple emails saying that the volume was not good. So my microphone's on. Hopefully you can hear me. We're going to do our dictation page. If you can't print this off, just write it on a piece of paper and send me a picture of it. We're on sub-step 2.3, lesson number 2, and today's date is 4/16/2020. All right, the first sounds, the first one, number 1, isled. Write the letters that make the sound isled. Number 2, ung. Ung. Number 3, olt. Olt. Number 4, ing. Ing. Number 5, eind. Eind. All right, we're not going to worry about the word elements. We're going to go to real words. If I go too fast, you can just pause the video, rewind it if you need to hear something again. Number 1, mild. 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 Number 2, blind. B-ul-eind. Blind. Number 3, bold. B-old. Bold. Number 4, child. 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 Number 5, mold. Old. Mold. All right, then we're going to go over here to our nonsense words. These are not real words. Just listen to the sounds and do the best you can. Number 1, choast. 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 Number 2, shoaled. Old. Shoaled. Number 3, pliced. Iced. Pliced. All right, after you get done with those words, I want you to go back and I want you to underline any digraphs, box the welded sounds, and underline any consonant blends. All right, then we're going to go down to phrases. Number 1, remember these are the trick words, so some of these words you just have to memorize, you can't tap them out. Could come now. Could come now. Number 2, did become mad. Did become mad? And number 3, does anyone have? Does anyone have? All right, now for our sentences. Whoops. Number 1, remember sentences, how they begin and what needs to go at the end. Number 1, Bill is the best host. Bill is the best host. Bill is the best host. All right, number 2. Bob sold the old mink for lots of cash. Bob sold the old mink for lots of cash. Bob sold the old mink for lots of cash. All right, and the last one, number 3. The child went to get a bolt for his dad. The child went to get a bolt for his dad. When you get finished, just snap a picture and send it to me. I hope you can hear this video better. Please email me if it still did not come out.